Atlanta, America's fastest-growing city during the last decade, is a thriving market, which offers an endless array of real estate opportunities, both for cash flow and potential capital growth. America's Southeast is the fourth largest economy in the world, with Atlanta as the hub of its economic activity, boasting global air services, a deep talent base, sustained population growth, and a strategic national location. Investment in Atlanta is quite obviously the wise choice for those looking to capitalize on equity growth in an area that supplies both strong and thriving business opportunities as well as established stable property trends. Each home is purposely located to complement the expectations of a potential exit strategy for would-be future homeowners. Convenience to mass transit, schools, shopping, entertainment, and employment position each home for mass appeal. Georgia itself is the sixth best state for total tax burden, and Atlanta provides its residents with a low cost of living, 6% lower than the national average. We're here to help you make the best decision for you and your money. Please contact us today for a complimentary consultation. We look forward to hearing from you soon.